As you may have seen in our other videos, Optimizer is an awesome tool for displaying the information that you need as a Jira admin to make more confident and informed decisions. But Optimizer is not just a tool that will assemble the data for you. It will also help you make changes at scale in minutes or even seconds. In this short video, I'll show you how to use the bulk actions feature in Optimizer so you can make changes across multiple projects or Jira configurations with ease and efficiency. So with that being said, let's jump in. Bulk actions are available on all of the smart tables, apart from active workflows. In this example, I'm going to perform a bulk action in the project smart table. And to get started, let's jump into the active projects smart table through the left-hand navigation. As you can see here, Optimizer provides a full list of all the projects in your Jira instance. Over time, the number of projects will likely increase, and as an admin, you may want to do a cleanup as part of your routine maintenance and Jira hygiene activities. With Optimizer, you can easily sort these projects by their issue count to identify potential candidates for deletion. Or alternatively, you might know some projects that are good candidates for deletion already, and you can use the search field at the top of the screen to find those and then queue them for deletion. In this example, we're going to select some of the projects that have an issue count of 0, so I'll just select these 4. And once these projects are selected, we just need to click the bulk actions menu at the top right hand corner, and we're going to select permanently delete in a second. But I just wanted to point out that the bulk actions available will change depending on the smart table you are using. So these are the bulk actions for the projects table, but if you were in the issue types or the custom fields table, the bulk actions may look slightly different. So as I mentioned, we're going to use permanently delete for these 4 projects. So I'll select permanently delete, and you'll notice that the rows are now highlighted red, indicating that the change is pending. At this point, the projects have not been deleted from Jira. In Optimizer, we've added an extra safety net, which is the review changes feature, and you can see this is activated in the top right hand corner. The review changes is now illuminated. It says there are 4 pending changes, which is these 4 projects, and it gives you the opportunity to go in and review these changes before they are made within Jira. So let's dive into the review changes. Just open this up. Here we can see the 4 projects are listed for permanent deletion. And at this point, I have 2 options. I can either proceed with the change and save selected changes, and then this will permanently delete these 4 projects. Or if I've changed my mind, I might want to remove one of these projects from the list. So I can select it and discard the change from the list, and then it will reduce it back down to 3. Open review changes, and we only have those 3 remaining pending for deletion. Once you're happy with the changes, click Save Selected Changes, and this will then process this change within Jira. After a few moments, the changes will be completed, and these projects have now been deleted from Jira through Optimizer, and it's nice and easy. And there we go. That's a quick tour of the bulk actions feature in Optimizer. Just as a reminder, the bulk actions feature is really powerful, so we'd always recommend you take extra steps to ensure your team are not using certain projects, custom fields, or Jira configurations before you make any changes. At the end of the day, that extra sense check will keep everyone happy. If you're new to Optimizer and considering trying it out, you can get a free 30-day trial on the Atlassian Marketplace by following the link in the video description below. And just remember, we're here to help you get the most out of Optimizer. So if you want to learn any more about the features in the product, be sure to check out our user guides by following the link shown on the screen now. Or if you have any questions, just send an email to support@atfox.io and one of our customer support team will be in touch. Happy optimizing.